Okay guys, this particular network right here, zombie coders, has sent me 154 errors just by typing captchas. Yes, you heard me right, just by typing captchas. So if you stay to the end of this video, you're going to be at the point where you can also make this type of money here, or even make what I have made from this website, alright? And this particular network that we're talking about right here is called Mega Typers. Do you know why up till now some people haven't made a penny online? It's because they don't listen. They will see the website, I've been to this website before, they will just click off. No, things don't work that way. If you pay good attention to what I'm going to teach you in this video, at the end of the video, you're going to be at the point where you can make more than I have made from this website, alright? You can see right here what it states on the front page of the website, that the website is fantastic for mothers that stay at home, parents that need second jobs, students, people in between jobs. So you can stay no matter the range you are, you can actually sign up for this website and start generating money right away. And remember, your location is not really a barrier, no matter where you come from, be in Asia, America, Europe, Africa, Oceania, no matter where you are in the world, you can create your account from this website and start making money, guys. Okay, this website actually pays out every Monday, and when you have made some money from this website, they are going to send your money automatically. They send out all their monies on Mondays, and the money can be sent to your PayPal account or even your bank account, or if you like to withdraw it through Western Union, they can also do that for you. So you can say that your money is not going to hang in right here. When you're able to make some money, you can actually withdraw it out. Obviously, the money is not going to stock in from this website. Alright, now that you've seen the name of this website, it doesn't mean that you should just click off and try to be searching for the website so that you can sign up to test it out. No, things don't work that way. Alright, you have to pay good attention to what I want to say. And do you know why many people out now they haven't made any money, like I said earlier in this video? Because they don't listen. They will see the website, they will click off. No. And besides, before you can actually sign up and create your account, you actually need something called the invitation code. Someone needs to refer you before you can actually get started on this website. Alright, that is how they created this system. Someone needs to refer you so that you can create your account to get started. You can't just go to Google and Google it and start creating an account. It doesn't work that way, okay? So I will walk you through how you're gonna create an account, all the basic steps that you need to get it verified. Now to get started, you need to hit on this free sign up right here, and you will be on this page. Put your email address right here, create a password, and put your name. Now listen, like I said earlier, the sign up is a little bit tricky, okay? Put your name here. Your name must be in full. It's not a username. It's going to be in full, your full name. And here on the payment type is very important also, okay? You can see right here they said warning. This information cannot be changed. Please make sure you select the correct payment method. If you prefer to use PayPal, you can use your PayPal right here. Prefer to use Western Union, you can use it right here. There is Bitcoin also. Remember that anything you choose here is going to be your final answer. You cannot change it again. Alright, and here you can see you are asked to put in your PayPal email. You need to put the correct PayPal email right here. But if you don't use PayPal, you can do the same thing with Western Union or even with Bitcoin. Okay, and the most important part is this invitation code right here. In the description of this video, I will leave you a code that you can use to sign up. You need to put a code right here, okay, and hit on these terms and service of the website. Like here they say we do not promote the use of any third-party software, so it's strictly prohibited to use them in our website. And you also need to click on the agree button and hit I'm not a robot to get registered. Okay, like every other website, they will send you an email for verification. You need to verify the email and your account will be created at once. Okay, and once you log in, your homepage is going to look like this. It's actually the statistics of daily users, all their entries and how much they've earned. It's something they do daily just to show other users the earning people are making from it. Okay, for you to get started, you have to click on here where it says start working. But before then, remember this website, as it promised, is work from home job. Alright, before you click on this button right here, start working, you should be fully prepared. Each captcha that is being shown to you will be given a little time also for you to carry it out. Okay, you're not going to solve one captcha for 50 minutes or for 1 hour. You need to do it fast. Okay, so you should be prepared before you click on this button. Now I will walk you through so you too can see it. Alright, now let me click on the button that says start working. It's loading. I'm giving some captchas. I will have to click on the captchas before the times run out. Then we'll have to hit on this submit answer right here. Alright, I'll hit on this submit answer right here. I'll be giving another captcha also. Now we have to do this again. 768A. Then you have to hit on the submit answer. Again, you'll be giving another captcha. This is how you're going to be doing. You see that here it will be giving you 15 seconds per captcha. Alright, I want to show you something. You see, if you fail to do any of the captcha, you'll be given a warning here. Okay, you have been kicked out for inactivity, submitting a captcha too slowly or not completely work assigned to you. Please click solve captcha in the menu to restart working. Okay, multiple kickouts will result in an eventual ban. You exactly what I'm talking about. For the sake of this video, I wasn't focused. Okay, but for you to hit on that button, you should be fully prepared. There shouldn't be anything that should be bothering or should be disturbing you. If they send this type of message to you 10 times, you'll be kicked out. Alright, you'll be kicked out, you'll be banned. So you have to know that there is nothing that is disturbing your time. You should be fully focused before you start working. Although this is the most hardest way to make money from this website. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the other method that you can use to make more money from this website. Alright, if today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. What I do here is I do a lot of research on websites that promise to pay you money from working at home and making money online. And whenever I see something that proves to work for me, something that I have actually tested out, and at the end I have make money with it, I will come to my channel right here and make a video around it for you, so that you too can also go out and test out the websites yourself and start generating money. So if you feel you want to be part of the family, consider subscribing to this channel, so that whenever I upload a new video on how to stay at home and make money online, you will definitely be the first person to get notified. And you know what that means? If you are the first person to get notified, you're going to be the first person to watch the video, and you're going to be the first person to try the website and be the first person to make money with the website. So subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. Now if you want to make more money from this website, come to this place where it says Captcha server right here. Click on it, you will be on this page. Okay, here what you need to do is to download what is called Captcha server. This Captcha server is actually a desktop application that will allow you to get more image so that you can earn faster. Like the first time that we tested out earlier was form of in test. Alright, but with this, it's going to be in form of image, like a normal image pools where you'll be asked to identify something in an image, like identify the bicycle in this image, something like that. Okay, I'm not going to download it because I have it already, but once you click on this installed, it will be installed on your laptop and it's going to look like this. Okay, but I'm not going to log in again for security purpose. You know what happened before, because for the sake of this video I can be focused. But here it's a little bit slower and you're going to do it in form of image, not in form of text. Okay, you are going to use the same password and the same credentials that you used to log in before to log in here. Okay, and they will be showing you image that you are going to be choosing. Alright, here you are going to generate more money. It's actually called part-time jobs or work from home jobs. Okay, because you are going to put your time to solve those puzzles, be identify an object in a picture. It's pretty easy, but if you're willing to put in the time, you're going to succeed. Alright, I'm not going to log in again so that I won't be banned, because I won't be focused, just like the first thing that just happened. Because in each given captcha, you'll be given a time also to do it out. Okay, now how can you have your code so that some people can also sign up through your link? How can you have your code? That's a big question. Now if you want to create your code, you have to come to this place where it says affiliate, and you'll be shown these menus. Okay, you have to click on the codes, you will be on this page. Now you have to hit on a new code, add a new code. Okay, and you'll be asked to write a little description of the code. Here I will just write invite 101, then you will say the code. You see that the invite 101 is right here. So whenever you want to invite any person, you can actually give that person this code right here, G3L5. Any of the code you've created is not going to be the same number with mine, obviously. Yours is going to be different. The person will have to use this code to sign up. Okay, whenever they start making money or receive their first payout, you'll be giving some commission. It's not going to affect their balance. Okay, hear me clear here. It's not going to affect their balance. No matter what they make, it's going to be the same thing that they are going to withdraw, but you'll be giving a commission on top that. Alright, so that is affiliate marketing for you. So if you watch this video to this point, it actually means that you are so curious of making money online. So what I want to tell you now is, after this video, try to create an account on this website and see it yourself. Okay, don't just watch the video and just hope that it's not going to work. You need to put things into test. Alright, but if you are not so satisfied with this website and you are looking for other ways to make money, this video right here will show you different approach of making money online. Alright, make sure you click on this video to see it yourself. Until next week, when we post another video again, stay tuned.